Welcome to week 10. There's a lot of awesome information in this week. It's about job interviews, so I think you're going to get a lot out of it. Be sure to open the link at the bottom of the page to look further into details that I've posted about finding a job. I've actually had a couple government sites on here that I think will be interesting for you to look at. There's a lot of great jobs out there that when you're in the market, you can take, of course, an eye at. So I know everyone in this class is really looking for opportunities in regards to healthcare, but it's always important to know where to look for jobs, how to find them, and there's a lot of healthcare jobs for the government too, so keep that in mind as well. You also have a discussion number 6 that is due this week, or of course starting on Sunday. 200 words by midnight, and then a reply after that. So I hope you have a great week. I appreciate all you're doing. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help in any way I can. Thanks so much.